YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch. I want to thank anybody that's ever made any video requests in the comments of the videos, through email or DMing me on Instagram. Thank you. Please keep that going. It's super appreciative and helpful. Now, I don't know if y'all paid attention, but one of the best, if not the best, outdoor basketball sneakers recently retroed this month. And the sneaker I'm talking about is the Nike Air Raid. These joints are classics. Michael Jordan wore them. Andre Agassi wore them. If you know anything about the New Jersey Nets, Kendall Gill wore these joints. He actually cut the straps off during the game, but they are back. The ironic thing about the Air Raids is the feature on this sneaker that makes them so dope is also what throws people for a loop when it's time to wear them or to lace them up. And I'm talking about the straps. You don't want your joints looking all loosey-goosey and crazy. And most people are probably going to wear them casually. So you probably don't want to lock them down completely, making them super tight using the straps with the Velcro. And I've seen things get very awkward. So if you don't know how to lace them up, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to show you guys how I tie up my Air Raids. They actually remind me a lot of the Jordan 8s with the straps. And I'm not going to lace them up the same way, but it's going to be very close. So it's time to unleash your kicks and let's get to it. So my laces are taken out and we're all ready to go. Now, before we dive into this tutorial, I've seen a lot of people wear their kicks like this. I'm not here to clown y'all or to judge anybody, but this looks wild to me personally. But the reason why I have it laced like this is because, where I have the strap like this, is because while I'm lacing and shooting this video, these plastic clips will scratch all over this table and it's gonna sound crazy. So that's the reason why I have it like this. But before we dive into it, I do want to show y'all the final product. This is how we are going to have them laced when I'm complete with this video. Now you'll notice I'm not using any of the Air Raid Velcro straps. The straps are able to sit freely. They're currently being held down by the laces. I like wearing my shoes loose, so I still can wear them like this without having to worry about tying the laces. And this works for me. So if you enjoy or like the way that I lace my joints, keep watching this video and let's get to it. So step one, anytime you're lacing your kicks, unless you're lacing a pair of Chucks, you need to go from the outside in. So we're gonna start here, going in. Once you have the two laces and the eyelets, now you just need to make sure that they're even. Once they're even, just make sure they are flat and got a clean look to them. And from here, this is actually going to be pretty easy. This is not going to be difficult like the LeBron 17 or the LeBron 16 video that I've done. This should be, or I think that was the LeBron 18, but whatever. It's not going to be difficult like the LeBron videos or even the Jordan 6s or 5s. What we're going to do is we're going to act as if these straps are not a part of this sneaker and just lace them up. And we're going to stop at this. We're going to stop here at the third to last eyelet. That's where we'll stop. You'll notice we're 4 eyelets in, and per usual, I'm just leaving a little bit of hang time for my laces because, again, I like to wear my shoes a little bit loose. But because these sneakers have straps, they're not going to be loose like some of my others because it's going to look crazy. So it's a matter of trying to find that nice little medium between a little bit of looseness but not OD. And we have 2 more eyelets to go. Okay, so we're at the third to last eyelet because the last one that we're going to use will be the second to last. So right here is where you need to start thinking about your straps. The first strap we're going to use is going to be the inside, the medial strap. See? That's what I didn't want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the inside lace we're gonna pair it with the inside strap, just like this, on the inside of it, and bring it out through the top. And you're just gonna lace the shoe. Make sure the lace is flat, and that's it. So once you have done this, you're pretty much almost done. Wherever this lace goes, this strap is going to go. So you don't have to worry about the laces just getting so loose and flopping all over the place. Wherever this lace goes, where it's not going anywhere, it went through an eyelet, this strap will go. Now the reason we did that is because should the strap start to move or whatever, you're gonna use this exterior lace, the outside lace, as a way to kind of hold it down. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use this lace and to go over the lace that we just used for the strap. So you see how this is? You're just gonna go on top of it, just like you normally would lace your shoe. It just goes on top, and then it goes in the hole. Pause. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see this, but essentially, if you notice, now this is kind of restricted a little bit, right? Because that lace is now on top of it. So that's the purpose of having the outside lace now go on top of the inside lace with the strap. And that's it. That's how you're going to secure this one. Still a little bit loose. And now we're going to unstrap the outside strap. That 3M hard, ain't it? And we're going to do the same thing. The only difference is we're not going to have this strap be held down by the other lace. Instead, we're just going to use the outside lace and go in, right? But see, I didn't loosen this up enough, so we'll play with that in a second. So we're pretty much done. This is not going to get tied. Now we're just going to use this lace, the outside lace, use the strap, and connect it. This is before it. This comes over the top. And that is essentially it. This is how I lace my Air Raids. Again, you may want to play around with the looseness of the laces so this is not dangling too much. But when you look at the finished product, this is it. You don't have to worry about the laces going anywhere. They're held down. I'm sorry, you don't have to worry about the straps going anywhere because they are held down by the laces. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If there are any tutorials, whether it's lacing, cleaning, or just video requests that you guys want me to do, please hit the comments or shoot me a DM over on Instagram. I'm out.
Terror the rock, smooth criminal and gambling spots. Shoot dice to kill time, life handle will watch. Be careful where you bustin' your box. Narcos got the drop from snitching niggas with their hands in the pot. We was banging on the table, clips grinding beat. Lunchtime, broke days, Uncle Will, hook it up. Lunch line, got a couple dollars, get hot wings and cheese fries. Split it with my niggas, same homie since knee high. Wreck ball, Gigi Brown, Pop Warner, Rowdy at that goalpost. Mookie got that check going.